आदतें जैसी है तू मेरी आदतें कैसे भूलूं भला। मैं कभी भूलूंगी ना तुझे, चाहे तू मुझको देना भुला। सौदा ये वादों का है या दो इरादों का है, ले ले तू वादे चाहे तू तो मुकर भी ले। सौदा इशारों का है, चाहत के मारों का है, ले ले इशारे मेरे, इनका असर भी ले।
Hello and Namaste. I am Harshila and I welcome you to my channel. And this is Ira and we have Mummy somewhere there down. So we are at the Infinity Mall and this is like a new vlog and we are here for Lock the Box. And I'm super excited because of course book shopping. I have had a bad day and I have had actually a bad week, not at this point a bad week, okay? And we are planning to shop for like around 7,000 like we did last time. So we will see what we do. I am literally alti-palti मार के I have sat and let me show you how much we have shopped first. We not shopped, we have 2 boxes and we have collected a lot of books. And Ira has some more over here. We'll sit and like prioritize which books we want and which we do not want because we are not taking all. Maximum we are taking 2 boxes, but I'm not really happy with the collection they have because they do not have most of the classics. Why is this going white? Okay, so I'm not really happy with the collection that they have. I was hoping at least they have like decent classics at least, but they do not have even the classics. So we'll see. So we did come back home after dinner and we have got like 3 boxes. So 2 3,000 rupees boxes and one the little one that was for 1,200 rupees. And we like exchanged how many books? Yeah, we exchanged 24 books for which we got around 720 730 rupees. So what we paid is basically 660 rupees or 650 rupees, something like that. Sorry, 6,060 rupees. So almost 6,500 is what we shopped for. And I have to say, like, this time I was highly disappointed because they did not have anything, literally anything for like people who want to read classics, romance or any other genre apart from like majorly fantasy. I was so disappointed. Like, I literally went there for like collecting fantasy books, Game of Thrones, Lord of Rings. I have like one book that I really wanted, like the first book in the Lord of Rings series after the Hobbit one. And then there were 2-3 like series that I was like looking forward to. They did not have like a fantasy collection. They had like a crime mystery thriller collection. Like I think there were 2 rows of like crime mystery thriller. I was so like upset. I at least wanted classic books. Okay, I knew like I wanted classic books, and I literally thought that I'll like fill my box with classic books, but they did not have classic books, and the ones they had were in so poor condition that I don't think that anyone would like even like to touch them. So yeah, that was that. But Ira, oh my god, so I'll tell you what, this box 1201 is like filled with her books. But honestly, if I wouldn't have like put my books in that bigger box, they would have all fit in this box. Like I got not more than 10 books. Okay, rest all books are of Ira's. And let me show you guys. Sorry for the mess, like I had a shoot yesterday, so like my bags are like pending over here. So these are the 2 boxes that we got. Each one is for 3,000 rupees. Last time we got like one box for 5,000 and another one for like 2,000. So I think each box has around 30 books, like maybe less, maybe more. But she has gotten like such good collection that I cannot tell you guys. Like she's one lucky girl. Last time I was the lucky one, and even she was the lucky one. This time only she was the lucky one. But nevertheless, at least that one expense is like fixed, because children's books are super expensive, and the rate at what like she reads. Now there's gonna be like a Christmas vacation that is going to come, then there will be like Pongal vacation that will come. So she is gonna like have a lot of time reading, and she actually finishes like one book in one day, because they do not have like many words. And yeah, so I think that at least at that side I am like covered when it comes to expenses. I might like just buy more books for myself. Hi guys, today is 23rd of November and we are going out. I'm not sure if I am like visible, but don't walk so fast, Ira. I have like vertigo, and anything like fast makes me like more dizzy. I have like literally just been in bed entire day, like for the entirety of day. And now we are going to Crawford. First we'll go to maybe Girgaon Chowpatty, and then, dude, what is your problem? I hate people when they honk like unnecessarily. Okay, moving on. So first we are going to Girgaon Chowpatty, and then we are going to Crawford Market. So I will try to vlog. I might not show my face because no one vlogs me. I vlog everyone. Like I like film everyone, but she doesn't like filming me, or even if she does, she doesn't like emphasize on like कि यार चलो इसको vlog करना है. She'll like vlog in general and she'll not care as long as she is looking pretty. Everything else is like okay. So yeah, that is what I wanted to say. Apart from that, we'll see what else we do.
What the dog doing?
Yeah.
Wow. Sorry.
Yan aku Rahmat.
Atu.
Didi.
Say apple. Parat high
High
five.
five deh. Eh. Eh.
What the dog doing?
Hey guys, so this is the fit of the day. This is the book that I'm still reading, and I have to tell you guys, you have to read the Dorian Gray, the picture of Dorian Gray. And I don't know like what I'm gonna film today, but I'm really excited for work today because I just love my work. Guys, there is like this eagle that is like flying so low. Oh my god, I'm seeing an eagle for the first time. Hi guys, we are here at theatre to watch movie. And what are we watching, Veera?
1 or 2.
I'm not sure if we are visible because I literally have this. I came from office and literally we got in rushed, like so rushed. 8:35 was the movie time, but when we came here, he said like 15 minutes jayega. So we like grabbed some popcorns, ordered a pizza because I'm starving. She ate her dinner, I did not. So yeah, Moana 2, like I think last movie we watched was Chale ya wo wala. Shah Rukh Khan's Jawan.
Yes.
After that, we haven't seen a movie, and before that, like the last movie we watched was Shizume. So yeah, we like watch 2 movies annually.
What the dog doing?
Hello guys. Reading White Nights. Late for office as usual, but at least we made it in time. I'll see you guys not around. Hi guys, I don't know if I'm visible due to my glasses, but I'm sitting here alone in the parking lot. My brother has gone up to get his glasses, his sunglasses. और मेरी फटी पड़ी है. I am like all alone in a parking lot. Oh my god, but I at least have a book. And I'm starting a new one. The Secret History by Donna Tartt. I think I must have done like an intro. And it is like 5 a.m. and the saddest part is like I got a few snacks and one of it is like expired, so I don't know what we are gonna eat and we don't want to like stop before we need to stop, so we'll see what happens. Ira, show your outfit. Morning guys, today is Sunday 22nd, right? Yes. And we are here to meet our friends.
कलरफुल होगा, लाइटिंग होगी, शूटिंग होगी और जैसे ही शूटिंग का जब काम कंप्लीट हो गया ना तो इस सेट को फिल्म सिटी के अंदर यहाँ पे 20 मिनट टोटल 5 स्टूडियो और इस रोड पे देखिए लाइट जहाँ पे लगी है वहाँ पे शूट किया जा रहा है इस समय एक एडवर्टाइजिंग का। उसके आगे एक पार्क है जहाँ पे एक सीरियल का शूट चल रहा है, अगर चल रहा है तो दिखेगा। सीरियल का नाम बता रहा हूँ, ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है, स्टार प्लस उसका काम चल रहा है। फिल्में देखी कोर्ट कचेरी की, तो ये कोर्ट है। जितना कोर्ट बाहर है ना उतना अंदर भी है। बाकी का जो गुजरात कोर्ट फैमिली कोर्ट, यहाँ पे इंसाफ नहीं मिल रहा है। बाजू में भगवान की अदालत चर्च, मूवी का नाम था ताल, ताल से ताल मिलाओ। उसके बाजू में बाबू भैया की
चलो इसके लिए आपको एक्टिंग करनी है। जैसे मैंने रोल कैमरा एक्शन बोला, आप तीनों को एक साथ थोड़ा डर के एक डायलॉग बोलना है। इंस्पेक्टर साहब
ये क्या है बताइए? घुंघरू, चुड़ैल की पहली पसंद। फिर दरवाजा खुलता है, ये नहीं तीनों आवाजें देखिएगा। क्या ये आवाज मुंह से आ सकती है? नहीं ना। हम बड़े नसीब वाले हैं कि ऊपर जो आवाज मेरे गले में दी है एकदम परफेक्ट दी है। ये देखिएगा मेरे पाँव में घुंघरू नहीं है, अगर कोई चलती तो घुंघरू कैसे बजते हैं देखते हैं कि आपको पसंद आते हैं, आपकी ताली बताएंगी। ओरिजिनल घुंघरू है ऐसे। फिर दरवाजा खुलकर 20 साल बाद जंग लगा हुआ है ऐसे। थैंक यू।
Guys, I'm here for a shoot and I ordered boba tea for the first time. Hira is gonna be so jealous, so freaking jealous, because I never allow her to drink boba. She has not even tried boba and I tried it for the first time. And we are here at a client's place, like her office, home office, and I'm having so much fun.
यीशु का बर्थडे है। यीशु कौन है? यीशु कौन है? ऋषु ने पता है। यीशु कौन है? यीशु कौन है?